You have this like moment where you just open the windows like this. It's like a commercial. Hi there, homies! Welcome back to Property TV, and for today, we are coming at you with our latest home tour. For this video, we're gonna be looking at the Aira house model here in Lancaster New City. Alright homies, so if you've been following us for a while, you would probably know that this is the second time we're looking at a house here in Lancaster New City. So previously, we checked out the Brianna house model. So if you want to watch the home tour video for that, you could check it out at this link, as well as in the captions below. Alright guys, so for this video, we're checking out the Aira house model, which is kind of like the little sister or little brother of Brianna. So for this property, you'll be getting a floor area of 80 square meters and a lot area of 92 square meters. It's got 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and baths. Over there, that's your provision for a 1-car garage. So of course, it's up to you how you would decide to dress it up. So for this home, they turned this area into a garden, and then their garage goes all the way to the back of the home. So let's check out the inside of the Aira house model. All right, now we're gonna check out the first floor of your future home. So, okay, this is the first floor, ground floor of the Aira house model. So the first thing you see once you enter is your living area or living space. So they put in a couch here. It's got beautiful windows that allow in a lot of natural light. And over here is your dining area. Obviously, you've got enough space for a table here. It's a 6-seater. So I think it's perfect for this size of a dining area. And over here, you can see there is a sliding glass door, which actually leads to the outdoor area that I showed you earlier. So, like I said, it can be your beautiful outdoor garden, outdoor dining area, if you would like that. So imagine having coffee in the morning, in the outdoors. You know, this beautiful community is lined with trees and lots of green. So it's just a very relaxing space. All right, so let's go check out my favorite part of this house, which is the enormous kitchen. I mean, look at this place. It's so big. Okay, so this is one of the main differentiating points of the Aira house model. You've got a huge kitchen. It already comes with fixtures for the sink as well as the counter. Okay, so I believe these were added in. So it's up to you again how you would dress up this kitchen, but just looking at it, it's perfect for families who love to cook together, or maybe even just your friends. Kung trip nyo yung mga tita hangouts and then you all just cook together, I know that's something I would enjoy. All right, so from the kitchen, you actually have a restroom for the first floor. And that's perfect because aside from, you know, if you do have guests, they can use this restroom. There's actually 1 bedroom over there, which we will check out. So just functional space for a bathroom on the first floor, accessible, straightforward, no nonsense. So you get the fixtures for a sink, a toilet, as well as a shower area. All right, so come on guys, let's check out the rest of the first floor. Going back to your dining area and your living area. Over here, right across the living area, is your first bedroom of the home. So again, this house has 3 bedrooms. So this is the first one. And for this specific model house, they turned it into an open room, basically, with this open partition, transparent partition, rather. Okay, so you can turn it into a bedroom, but you know what? The first thing I thought when I saw this space with the specific layout is that it would be a perfect home office. You know, it lets in a lot of natural light, which induces productivity, and you know, it just goes well with this whole open door design. So yeah, it's up to your wildest imaginations of home beautification, how you're gonna dress up your home. All right, so that's the first floor. Now let's check out the second floor and come up the stairs. I particularly love what they did with these metal accents and railing for the stairs. It's very beautiful. It does not come like this in the model in the turnover units, but you can have it done by your designer. All right, so let's check out the bedrooms here at the second floor. So let's check out this smaller room first. Okay, so this can be a bedroom for your children, for your child. Obviously, you know, if you have more than one child, you can actually put in a double deck bed. You know, they put in an entertainment area here, but up to you if you want to turn it into a study area instead. You know, maybe put in a table so they could do their online classes, do their homework. Right beside it is their closet, of course, and there's a window here to let in natural light. Come on, let's check out the rest of the house, or the rest of the second floor. Again, the houses come with doors. So before we head on to the next bedroom, let's check out the bathroom first. So the second floor bathroom actually has an entryway from here, like from the common area. And it also has an entrance from the master's bedroom, which I will show you later. Anyway, first in this bathroom area, you get a sink, you get a toilet, and of course the shower area. For the units, if you purchase them for the turnover, it already comes with these bathroom fixtures like the sink and the toilet and the shower area. Let's move on to the last but not least bedroom in the second floor, or in this whole house rather, which is the master's bedroom. So over here, this is the largest room in the house. As you can see, it can fit in a queen bed and even more furniture over here. You've got a little stool and as well as some chairs. And right here, actually, you'll see this big space over here. And that's because for this specific model house, they chose to put in cabinets over here, but actually, this is a provision for an entire walk-in closet. So over here, you'll see, so I'm not sure if you can see it right now, but there is an area over here. It's like a part of a wall, and you can actually put in a wall over here so that it can turn into your walk-in closet. I mentioned earlier that the bathroom also has an entryway from the master's bedroom. So this is it. Okay, so this bathroom is it's a shared bathroom basically for the second floor, but anyway, you have your own door here from the master's bedroom, and there's also a door on the other side. So pretty convenient and practical use of space. The beautiful thing as well here in Lancaster New City is that napakaganda ng community that you can find here in Lancaster New City. A lot of the walkways and the surroundings are covered in trees and greenery, which is just very beautiful and relaxing. All right, homies, so as you can see, the Aira house model is a perfect home for you and your family, whether you're just starting out or you're a growing family. So again, Aira is a 2-story single attached home here in Lancaster New City. And if you like this house and you can already imagine yourself living in it, go ahead and book a free consultation with us by calling us so that one of our Ohmyhome agents can get in touch with you. And if you're wondering, you're already decided on looking at homes, but you're wondering, what else should I consider? Then you might want to check out the questions that you should be asking your agent, which we will be linking in this video as well as in the captions. So homies, if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you will get updated whenever we release new videos. Alright homies, thank you so much for spending time with us. I'll see you next time.